Hello viewers, are you experiencing Android system data warning problem in Samsung phone? Don't worry. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix this problem. So let's see the step. For fixing this problem, first of all, go to settings, open settings, and then tap on connection. Now go to data use option, tap on data use option. Here you can see billing cycle and data warning. Just tap on this option. Now here you can see set data warning option. Just turn off set data warning option and also turn off set data limit. After this step, now check your problem solved successfully. You can also solve this problem by increasing data usage limit. If the problem remains after all this process, then follow next step. Now go back to main settings and then tap on search settings. Now search reset network settings. Now tap on reset mobile network settings. Now again tap on reset mobile network settings. Now reset your mobile network settings. After reset your mobile network settings, hopefully this method will fix your problem. So thanks for watching. Stay connected for more updates.